VARIS, man.
That VARIS, yeah.
Their brand new is what? 2400?
Dude, it's up there, yeah.
2400 unpainted.
Oh yeah, everything does come unpainted, doesn't it? Oh yeah. You can see how it's kind of flat across. And I like that you can see more of the side skirt here too. See the little vent. All right, y'all, you can see the difference. Design, little vent there, carbon. I really like how that side has that little like side piece to make that design. I like that, and it doesn't cover as high in the side skirt, so it doesn't go like the whole way like the stock one does. So I do like that. Yeah, damn, that looks good. Yeah, man, buy a Type R on Tuesday and install some VARIS Mugen and chassis splitter on Thursday. Yeah, call it. Call it. All right,
Just
so
fitting it right now. It's
yeah, they're good. Oh yes, they fit really nice. I mean, it is Mugen stuff, so if you're paying that much for Mugen parts, I would.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so that's how they work. Interesting. So I'm doing a hybrid, so if I got VARIS and Mugen, that means something has to be spoon on here.
Yeah.
But I do not want to buy spoon because that is just like really, really, really pricey. I guess, I don't know. Like if they have like a license plate.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like $200 license plate or something.
The spoon rigid collars are something that this car benefits off
Yeah?
of. So yeah.
Oh, cool. So rigid collar. Okay, I'll check those out then.
The spoon rigid collars.
Okay, I can remember that. Fits perfectly to the original gray piece.
Yeah.
I just kind of like that it covers up that gray right there. It's like a black. I like that. Oh, that's the second piece. So it wraps around. Nice. And then were there any bolts you had to do? Oh, there's bolts too? Oh yeah, there are bolts. Oh damn, the side thing's gonna be in there then. Man, look at that.
When it's installed right, it'll be on there.
Look at that. That is.
So it's these match.
Yeah.
These.
Yeah, see, I like that because it does. Now it's instead of just the middle, it kind of goes and it wraps all the way around. Yeah. That gloss black looks really good with the color. That wraps all the way around. Gloss black wraps all the way around. Yeah, it did make it flow perfectly to the thing for sure. Alright, y'all, it's got the Mugen rears installed. Both sides looks really, really good. Love the gloss black with the little carbon peeking out. Super clean. This rear look nice. It's really good. And the last thing, there's just a few bolts underneath, guys. Just gotta make sure you bolt up, but for the most part, man, Auto-Tune's doing such a fantastic job, guys. That looks clean. Damn.
So I'm picking the red tape.
Yeah, like the pearl. Yeah. That pearl looks nice. Nighttime. That looks so nice. All right, y'all, so like I was saying, we got the VARIS side skirts on, and man, they look amazing in the light, guys. We also went and got the Mugen rear under spoiler on the car. I love how it takes off that gray on the bottom, so now it just looks like a really big aggressive black diffuser. Looks really, really good. Love how it's looking. Man, one more time, shout out to Mugen, shout out to VARIS. I've always wanted a VARIS kit or a VARIS parts on my car, so we'll see. Got the VARIS side skirts. We'll see if I end up getting a VARIS front bumper or just anything else in the car, but man, the whole car is looking really nice. As you guys might be able to see, I also have done the black side mirrors, and I also did the black rear tail lights tint. So I'm gonna have a video coming up in the next few videos coming on the channel to really discuss that and just discuss a lot of easy things you guys can do to really transform these cars from the, you know, the Battle chassis splitter to the VARIS side skirts to the Mugen. I really love how the car is now starting to look a little bit. But overall, guys, man, I'm so excited for this car. I know a lot of you guys are waiting for that POV video, my review video, and just talking about the differences between this car and my STI. And I have to say, I am just so excited for this vehicle. Man, it is just blowing me away. And I know I really hope you guys love the content, because I have a lot of content coming. Anyway, if you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you don't follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them a reality. Everyone have a great day, a blessed day, y'all. Peace. All right, y'all, so we just got done. Dang, look how good that looks. So the lights still work perfectly fine, but look how aggressive that looks. Dang. It's crazy how just doing tint really makes a big difference.